This is our vertical cutting equipment ESV260 in our workshop, as you can see it. It including the water guide, the light, and the wheels. There are 4 wheels in total, and the loading table. Also including the water box. You will see our control panel nearby, part of our equipment. And there are some covers. These covers are to protect the machine and to prevent the water splashing like this. We will send them to you. This is a brief introduction to our diamond wire loop cutting machine ESV260.